Have you ever posted a video and you just keep refreshing the page, hoping for the views to start rolling in, and they just don't? Like, you have put in all that effort, you've researched, you've scripted, you've posted, you've filmed, you edited, you've posted, and only for you to be like, oh my god, let this video just do well. And it's all crickets, like nothing is showing up. Or maybe the first day you gained a bit of views, and the next 48 hours nothing is showing up. It's like YouTube just totally forgot about that video. That is what I call your views literally dying after 24 hours. So if you have experienced that, you are not alone. This video is for you. And if you're somebody that is not even getting any views at all, this video is also still for you. So let's talk about what you can actually do to fix it. Number one is, please do not delete that video. I know the urge, you're like, maybe I should just delete it and post it again. Please don't. Or maybe this video is not just good, let me just delete it and do another one. Please don't. Please don't delete that video. You already used data to upload that video. You already tried your best. You already wasted time. So no, you're not going to be wasting your time and effort and data only for you to delete the video because it's not getting views. So no, don't delete that video. Let me teach you what you are going to do next. What you are going to do is make that video the end screen of your video that is doing well. Does this make sense? So if you have a video that is gaining momentum on YouTube, that is gaining more views, go and change the end screen to this your video that is not doing well. And end screen is basically a video that is going to show to people at the end of watching a particular video. So once people are done watching that video, this is the second video that YouTube is going to recommend to them. So the third thing is optimize that description box. Yeah, I see a lot of people, they just post video with nothing in their description box. I'm like, why are you sleeping on things that can actually help you gain more views? The thing is, YouTube is a search engine. It needs to know YouTube is a search engine. It needs to know what your video is all about. So description box is also going to help your video like gain more views, because it's going to help the YouTube determine what your video is about. So in that description, please put something there. Put your keywords, put your title. If you cannot write it yourself, tell AI to generate a description using your title for you and copy and paste it there. AI is going to literally describe what your video is about, or use AI generated description like YouTube always recommend, so that when the algorithm wants to pick up your video, algorithm know that okay, this is what this video is about, and YouTube is going to show it to your right audience accordingly. The fourth one is updating your thumbnail, and this one I started doing recently. Like if I see that a particular video is not getting enough views in the first 48 hours, what I'm going to do next is change the thumbnail. I'm going to tweak something. And funny thing is, a lot of people like, does it really matter? Because truthfully, I've seen a lot of people with blurry thumbnails, that thumbnails are not even so good and their videos get views. I'm like, and they're always telling us to use all clean aesthetic thumbnail, let your thumbnail drive curiosity. Does it really matter? Yeah, the thing is, as the thumbnail might look blurry to you, there's something intriguing about that thumbnail that made people click on it, that your own particular thumbnail is lacking. It might be the bright color, might be the contrasting color, might be the word on it, it might be how the text is worded. There's something very minute can actually change your thumbnail game, that and it can actually make you to push your videos to more people. So if your current thumbnail is not making people click on your videos, change the thumbnail in the first 48 hours. YouTube will always tell you your click-through rate. So if your click-through rate is below what you usually get, please change your thumbnail. Another thing is to share that video to your community post. Yes, like if your video is not doing well in the first 48 hours, please go and share that video to your community post. Community post does not just shown to your audience, also show to people that are not subscribed to your channel. So that way, people that are not already subscribed or have not seen your videos can also see that community post, because it's going to automatically appear in their own page. And if your thumbnail is nice enough or your title is nice enough, they might click on it, and that is how you get more views on YouTube. And finally, the one that I love, people, this is like the last step, and it's changing your title in your video. So if a particular title is not doing well for your video, try and change it, reword it, maybe infuse more keyword, or maybe the keyword needs to be at the forefront of the title instead of the back that you put it. Just tweak something, make it different, make it more curiosity focused, or maybe curiosity driven, or more of storytelling. Just try a different approach and see how much difference that can make for your video, instead of totally deleting it and wasting your time and your data. Maybe try asking a question with your title, add urgency, add scarcity. Just do something very different. So all this step works in order to stop your video from dying after 24 hours. But one thing that I want you to take note of is also be consistent. Don't say, oh, my video usually dies after 24 hours, and that is you that only upload once a month. There's no way it's not going to die, because your audience are not as evolved as you think. Your videos just come up and they decide when to watch or when they don't. But if you're somebody that upload consistently, somebody that is always in their faces, they will want to watch your videos whether they like it or not. So do your part, optimize your video, promote it in your community tab, change titles, change thumbnails, bright keywords in your description, and see how much difference it makes. So if you enjoy videos like this, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and of course leave your thoughts in the comments below.